Looking for spring and summer exploration places with your kids? Hello, parents who live in Minnesota. Be sure to check out Richardson Nature Center, located in Bloomington. It offers a range of activities perfect for spring and summer adventures with kids, exploring nature trails, learn about local wildlife, and participate in hands-on educational programs. Don't miss out on the interactive exhibits, live animal displays, and special events that make every visit memorable. It's a great way to connect with nature and create lasting family memories.